Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kenny and I'm addicted to luxury handbags and especially pretty love luxury shopping because I love the same coins on this channel but still enjoying luxury. So welcome back guys. I am very excited to show you. I've got a new bag, you guys. It's from my favorite brand, Loewe. But you guys, this is a pre-loved vintage bag and I've just put it on this baggie just for the effect. But if you cannot wait, as I do, to see what's in this bag, then please continue watching. So first off, this bag, I purchased it from Miss Fili, which she is a YouTuber and she thrifts a lot of like high quality leather goods and sometimes vary from premier like designer brands like Chanel, Vuitton, Fendi, and she has shared a lot of interesting finds before, and she's actually thrifted a Chanel bag which was like mind-blowing to me. I would never thrift anything from Chanel, like ever, I'm sure, I'm positive. But I was just browsing casually on Instagram and she posted a small clip of this bag saying that she thrifted this bag, and so I immediately went to watch her YouTube video on that and I was like, holy smokes, this bag, this is such a good one. I need it in my life. And I immediately contacted her, and at first thought, you know, not everything that you see could be real, but she actually like done some research on the bag, and initially it was so hard to find anything, any information on it, and she like researched a bit and she saw some listings on eBay of this particular bag, and I think on First Dibs. This actually is a vintage like Loewe bag. I'm not exactly sure from what year this was released from, but I was still able to find an active listing on eBay, and this bag was like $1,000. But oh my god, I'm just rambling. I should just open this bag, right? I've actually looked at this and yeah, oh my gosh, let's open it before you kill me. Okay. And she put it on this satin Coach dust bag. Let's open her up. Yes. Oh my god, she is her. This is her debut on YouTube. This is this beauty. So we're not actually sure what name of this bag is, but I think you can probably tell it's got a glaring, striking similarity to a very popular brand from a premier designer brand, right? And okay, so I found this bag listed as well on eBay, but not the exact combination. The listing was from Japan and it was going for $1,000, which I did not pay for. And I offered Miss Fili $500 for this and she gladly accepted that. And I was so happy to offer that to her. Did you know guys that she got this bag for 20 bucks? Which is, right? Mind-blowing, mind-shattering. I would never have thrifted something like this here. Like, this is her, by the way. So, it's got a slip pocket on the front, which has that snap button closure there. It's got some depth to it. And the back is this Loewe logo with the perforations on it, which is similar, right guys? And it's got a adjustable strap with a glistening gold hardware, which I think adds to the character of the bag. It's not just a casual bag, it's probably a little dressy. It's got some nautical vibes, which we're just like vibing. Okay. So yeah, Miss Fili is based from Canada, and this bag took almost 2 months to get to me because of COVID and a lot of restrictions. This bag finally came to me, and I think it's such worth the wait. And there's like, so you guys, this bag is like a glaring, strikingly similar to the Evelyn bag. It's probably inspired by that bag. I don't have like more information about this bag, so yeah, giving you a brief history lesson. So the Evelyn bag was designed to, you know, store like equestrian tools, and if you can remember the H with the perforation on the front of the Hermes Evelyn, you know, that perforation was actually designed to make sure that the tools can breathe in and out and they can dry themselves while the bag is being used. And like initially, when the brand was still fresh and new, this perforation was actually meant to sit at the back and not on the front. And as the popularity of the brand grew, the H logo on the back is actually now meant to be seated at the front. So like a little slice of interesting information, right? I love those like little bits of information. So that's, I think, where the bag came about. And there's another brand that has a similar style to this. Coach has the Legacy 9966, and I'm not exactly sure which brand came with the original idea, but if you know, let me know in the comment section. But I thought for this bag, I wanted this side to be on the front just because of the slip pocket there, but you can definitely pop the logo at the back there. Loewe's logo is still like incognito to me. A lot of people would not know what this is. From a distance it would look like a spider or something. But yeah, absolutely in love with this bag. It's so good, and I would like to show you how much we can fit in here. And if you can probably tell, I'm quite drawn to bigger, larger bags now than the mini ones. I've not actually been, but this is a Truce Toilet 23 from Vuitton. It's a vintage one, so let's see if that fits. It actually fits. So yeah, perfect. And I love how much I could fit on this bag without like worrying about it. It's so good, I love it. And what else? Oh yeah, just a size comparison, I've got my Loewe Puzzle bag right here. That's how it compares. Yeah. That's the small size, by the way. And I've got my Loewe Puzzle bag in the medium size. And yeah, by the way, this is in the navy color. If you're wondering, yeah, this is the medium size Loewe Puzzle. Yeah, so obsessed with this, you guys. I love it so much. I love it a lot. And yeah, it's giving me so much like nautical vibes, preppy, with also like a touch of chicness to it. And yeah, let me know, guys, what you think about this. It's so good. I love it. I love it. I already know that this bag will be in my collection forever. This is like a bag that it's so, I feel like it's been in my collection and I just loaned it to someone. That's how good this bag is. I already know that this is gonna work for me. I love it a lot. Oh my gosh, me and my obsession with bags, right? So yeah. Alright you guys, thank you for watching today's video. It's actually an early birthday present to myself. And there's another bag coming. Just wait and see. It's a very special one. But let me know what your thoughts on this bag. If you have it, let me know as well. I would love to know. But yeah, thank you guys for watching today's video. And I'll catch you on my next one. Bye!